Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Saya Alif Imran, metric number 197329. Today, I would like to present a model teaching tool titled Sympathetic versus Parasympathetic Nervous System. First of all, this is the blueprint or plan of the digital 3D model that I made. Both of the sympathetic and also the parasympathetic is a part of autonomic nervous system. However, sympathetic nervous system will stimulate the body fight or flight response, but in parasympathetic nervous system, it will trigger the rest and digest or feed and breathe response. Based on the poster, I compare both systems by using the same group, which are eyes, heart, airways, digestive, and also liver. As you can see, the response of each group is different. That's all for the blueprint. Now, let's move on to the digital 3D model. For the model, I decided to utilize the recent technology, which is the digital 3D model. I used a software called Blender to edit and also Sketch website to publish it online. Here is the 3D model. As you can see, we can control the model in 360-degree view. You see, I can see it up, down, left, and also right. And after that, you also can zoom in just by clicking any part that you want to see, like here. You can zoom in. So, by utilize this method, the viewers can see every part of the 3D model. Then, the model itself is digital and can be easily shared with anyone. Lastly, this model did not use any physical material, so it is very eco-friendly. Okay, so let's start to utilize this 3D model. Okay, as you can see, they are numbered here, so we click the number annotation. Here is the first one. Okay, as we can see here, this part explains the location of the sympathetic and also parasympathetic nervous system. So, sympathetic nervous system is located near the thoracic and lumbar region in the spinal cord. Next, parasympathetic nervous system is located between the spinal cord and also the medulla. Okay, next, we see this is the response of sympathetic, which is stimulate the body's fight or flight response. Next, okay, here is the sympathetic nervous system response. So as we can see from the eye, so it will dilate the pupil. The pupil of the eye will dilate to allow more light to enter in low light environment. Next, we go to heart. So it will increase the heartbeat. If you are exercising or performing any kind of activity, your heart will normally beat faster. This allows your heart to pump blood throughout your body to provide oxygen to the tissue. If you are experiencing fear, anxiety, or stress, your heart rate will increase. In the airway, it will dilate the bronchial tube. Dilation of bronchial is important during sympathetic activity, which is like fighting or fleeing. The airways need to be dilated or open in order to get more oxygen into the lung and around the body. Next, we go to digestive system. It will decrease the digestive system activity. In general, the sympathetic stimulation causes inhibition of gastrointestinal secretion and motor activity and contraction of the gastrointestinal sphincter and blood vessel. Lastly, we go to liver. So, in liver, it will increase the conversion of glucose to glycogen. So, more conversion of glycogen to glucose will increase the blood pressure. Okay, that's all for the sympathetic. Next, we go to the parasympathetic. Here is the response of parasympathetic nervous system, which is primarily to stimulate the body's rest and digest or feed and breathe response. Okay, next, as we can see here, this is the list of the parasympathetic nervous system response. Firstly, we can see the eye. The eye will constrict the pupil. Okay, the pupil will constrict. This is the pathway caused by the ciliary muscle to contract, thereby reducing the tension on the lens and allowing it to become more rounded, so the image of the near object can be focused and on the central part of the retina. Next, we go to the heart. The heart will slow the heartbeat. The parasympathetic nervous system release the hormone acetylcholine to slow down the heart rate. Next, we go to airway. It will constrict the bronchial tube. Smooth muscle contraction lead to bronchoconstriction, which is the decrease in diameter of the bronchioles, while smooth muscle relaxation relate to bronchodilation, increase of the diameter of the bronchiole. Next, we go to the digestive system. So it will increase the activity of the digestive system. When the parasympathetic nervous system is dominant in the body, it conserves energy, slow the heart rate, increase the digestion, relax the sphincter muscle in the digestive tract. Lastly, we have liver. It will stimulate the bile production. So the liver is innervated by both of the sympathetic and parasympathetic nerve system. These nerves are derived from the splenic and vagal nerve. Actually, due to limitation of annotation of basics cashback per account, I was not able to make it much more organized. As you can see, uh, I only use 5 annotation here because that is the limit of the free account. So, other than that, I am satisfied with this model. I believe that digital 3D model is a new type of innovation that all of us should try. Feel free to put this link in your search engine or scan the QR code below to check out the 3D model yourself. That's all from me. Thank you.